Would you look at it? Wow!
Put the place up. Put my face up.
What up, what up? Scrub! We just woke up to this beautiful sunset.
Sunset? Oh, yeah.
Sunrise. Look at that. Would you look at it? Wow! Look at that. That is gorgeous. This is our car setup. Look, that's the hut. Pizza Hut. That's the... Oh! Look at the volcano.
That's where we're going?
Oh, that's where we're going. This is us.
Look at our kingdom.
This is a smelly kingdom. We're gonna move the car from this point to that point. Yeah.
Back.
Get too much wind. Yeah, it's beautiful.
Warmed up and we have to really go.
A little more. Yeah.
Welcome to Austin, Texas. We have a lot of hills, hill country, bit of nice mountains, and
That's Mount Brunel right there.
Yeah.
Maybe. What?
Awesome. This looks pretty good. Super.
That's beautiful. I just disassembled the tent, but there was something I wanted to show you. This guy. Whoa!
Dude, look at the view.
VIP Kempinski.
I like it because you will have such a nice view. Don't even have the view in the Kempinski hotel. I'm gonna try all the other toilets too and then compare them.
So what do we have here? We have coffee. We're gonna make some oats.
Oh
with
yeah,
blueberries.
banana, oats, blueberries.
And then we're gonna put one banana in it.
Yeah.
Cut it up. And I think that will be our breakfast. That's it. And
Yep.
make some tea. Got the stove going. Got the water boiling.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Sergey from Russia, right?
Yeah. Today my
Добре.
happy birthday.
Oh,
Hey, happy birthday, man!
I
Wszystko
forgot
najlepsze.
my birthday.
Wow.
To this mountain.
Okay.
It was very big mistake.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
So now you can check the road.
Let's pack a little bit. There and what the? There's two cars coming up here, full of people.
Martin Kokot.
Citlatepo, Citlapepeto. Citlatepeto. So we met some nice people from which university? Chapingo University. The best university in Mexico.
Chapingo me la pelo.
No, Slovak. Just that's Slovak. Very nice.
Everybody likes you, Martin, right now. Say Tsetski. Tsetski. Grande Tsetski. Vamos a la playa. Oh. We are just trying to go up the hill to leave some stuff there and stash it. Pinche niño rubio. Yo soy pinche niño rubio.
No, pinche güerito.
Pinche
Güerito.
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 All right. Are you guys done?
Yeah, I think so.
Finito?
And then you're gonna go up.
No, we
Uh-huh.
leave, go back, sleep, and then at night go up.
This is our
Compadres
Compadre.
Estos son compadres.
and amigos. Let me. See ya. What's up? That rock behind you looks so cool.
That one?
Yeah. Did you see those little flags down there behind Ondrej? Right there. We brought a whole bunch and we're flagging our way up. Start going. The plan is to go to 5,000 meters, which is exactly in the cloud, to the glacier, and then we're done. So
that's where the glacier starts, right?
yeah, and that's all the snow travel for tomorrow.
Look at Marty, how fancy he looks like.
Yeah.
He's all ready for this. All right. So we are just about to try to climb over there, man. leave our stuff there, the crampons and the ice axe and stuff like that, so we don't have to carry it again.
I'm gonna show them where we are, okay?
Yeah, we might have got.
We got a little lost in the labyrinth. No biggie. This is how it looks. We climbed up this steep ridge. There's a ravine on this side and a ravine on this side. And we climbed this ridge where Ondrej's sitting right here. Bam, pop, 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 pop. Yeah. And we gotta get that steep section. That is actually the hardest part.
We've been walking through this labyrinth, and it's crazy. Like, if it snowed or if you were by yourself and you didn't see any footsteps, you can get easily lost. Like, there's these just huge pits. Look at that. You don't know where you came from.
And what helps us right now, we see the steps of the guy who went down, the Russian dude.
Yeah, there was one guy this whole weekend that was up. That is intense.
Yeah.
We met him. He was nice. He was friendly. He told us some beta, but so far the beta was whatever. Woo! Almost died.
Beach it. What I'm thinking about, look at this, guys. I want my wall at home on this. I'm not high. I'm high in terms of the elevation, and high like in terms of the other stuff. This is so nice to touch.
I agree. Oh, Maui Wowie. So we did walking through the labyrinth. Did quite a steep section, marked it with flags.
I think we have done the most difficult part today, because what I'm seeing is completely flat area.
4,900 meters.
Woo!
We did a
Show
gain of 578,
Okay.
but we have like 700 left tomorrow.
Only 700?
Meter elevation, distance 1 kilometer.
So Martin is hiding our stash, ropes, harness, ice axe, crampons, everything right there. That we took only 1 bar of that kind of protein with us. And what happened? Well, while we ate only the half to get up here, we lost the other half when we were packing. Yep, so we don't have any other food, but we have a lot of water. We are kind of tired, but we're gonna make it. It's 4 p.m. If it's 4 hours walk again, which I hope it won't be, that will be 8 p.m. and then we have to go in like 4 hours. So we left our stuff there and we gotta climb up this thingy. It looks doable.
Sarcophag, nice memory.
Sarcofago, yeah.
Acclimatization hike, very successful. I mean, very successful. So we can go
didn't
down.
puke, we didn't throw up.
Let's go.
Same.
Right here. Oh, he left me hanging.
What?
That sucked.
Oh my god. Alright, it's around 6 p.m. We got so close to our car. It took us 2 hours to get down. And we thought it's gonna be easy. The first part, actually the most exhausting part to climb up, was the easiest part. But this mother was the worst. It was just so slippery and you had to pay attention all the time. But the biggest problem is we just did not take enough food. So we are hungry as we made it down, but we didn't make it up, as if that was not our plan. But I don't know how we want to do it.
Yeah,
It's like up there.
Co? Co si povedal? Dostane sa do krzancov. Čo ti je? To neviem, či akože zomieráš, alebo sa smeješ. Strašne mi je zle, ten banán nepomohol, tuším ťa opoviem aj banánom.
2 hours later.
It is currently 8 p.m. We are at the Pizza Hut. And we are feeling like shit. Completely wasted. I think I had fever. No, then I felt super cold. This guy is completely. He doesn't even want to talk. So we are really considering about going down to Puebla and this whole thing, because there's a little chance we can do it up the hill.
Yep.
Like up the hill right there. What sucks is that we left a lot of stuff there.
Yeah, some nice new stuff. Shit
But
happens.
is that worth it to go there and risk our lives?
No.
Yeah. I mean, I don't know. So that's an update. So you might drive back. One thing, there's a thunderstorm over there. I don't know, you probably can't see it. It's overexposed. Well, nice. It's all gonna be okay. We are together in this.
Why you doing all that? Thought you was my wife, but you slapped me in the back.
Una fuerte granizada sorprendió a los habitantes de la Ciudad de México. Distintos puntos de la capital se cubrieron de hielo en cuestión de minutos. Usuarios de redes sociales compartieron imágenes donde las calles parecían estar cubiertas de nieve, de la metrópoli, y se reportaron inundaciones y varios árboles caídos.